Hello, let's make this delicious mukimo today. The first thing I'm going to do is to boil my maize, and these are fresh maize. And I'm going to put them to boil. Then I'll peel my potatoes and cut them into small pieces. Then I'm going to use this malenge leaves. This is what I'll use for color. First I wash them and then I boil them. And at this point, my maize are ready. I don't know why they turned yellow actually and they were white. But anyway, I'm going to mix this with my potatoes and then take them back to boil again. And at this point, everything is ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this water. Yes. And then I will start mashing my potatoes plus my maize. Just mash them until they mix all together. I just feel like I used a lot of maize anyway, but I'm going to mash everything until they mix together. And now I will add my pumpkin leaves, boiled and blended. I'm going to add this for color. So this is the one that will help to give that, I'm giving that greenish mukimo color. You can add as much as you want, depending on how green you want your mukimo to be. And then I'm going to add butter with onions. So I chopped my onions and cooked them in butter. Not fully cooked. They're a little bit still crunchy. And I'm going to mix this with my mukimo for taste. I added salt when I was boiling my potatoes in my mukimo. And I think the salt is okay. So I'm going now to serve my mukimo, and I'm serving this with beef stew and some steamed cabbage. Yes, this was yummy. Very tamu. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.